Hi guys, Emeka here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to do all your data analysis. I know most of you, whether you're at school, whether you're at work, you have a ton of data that you have to analyze for whatever project you're doing. And there's many ways to do it. You can do it in Excel, which is probably the easiest way. And now, generative AI is going to be making that process a hell of a lot easier for you. Let's take a look at what I'm talking about here. So, what data am I working with? I'm working with some time series data for sales at a store. So here is the data I'm working with. We have like 1 million rows of data. Column A is just some identifier, some ID. Column B is the date. Column C is the store number, the number for the store that is selling the products. Column D represents the family of products being sold at the store. Column E is the sales. And then column F would be if they're doing a promotion, right? What happens to the sales if they're doing a promotion? Being a 1 if it's a promotion, 0 if there isn't a promotion. Okay? So I am myself as a human being trying to figure out what this all means. But you'll see very soon, I'm going to import this into ChatGPT, and it's going to do it a heck of a lot faster than I am. But let's say I want to sort of start generating some information from this in Excel. Well, maybe I could create a pivot table first so I can do some analysis. So now that I have a pivot table, let's look at something. Well, first of all, we want store number, and we want sales, right? So now it's telling me the sales for each store number. If I want to know the products for each store number, I mean which family of products are being sold, I'll drop that in there. And there we go. So in store number 1, this is what's being sold. So you can see, you could do all this analysis right here in Excel. But let's see how this would be on ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT has released a feature that allows you to do data analysis. You will need to use the paid version, ChatGPT 4, but when you do, you'll see this little attachment icon over there, and all you have to do is click on it. And now I'm going to add that Excel sheet that I just worked with. Then I'm going to tell ChatGPT, read in this data and explain it to me. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, read that Excel sheet and explain what it's about. Of course, remember, anything you upload to ChatGPT, it does go into the data set to be used for training. And whenever there's vulnerabilities, people will be able to exfiltrate that data out. So don't upload any of your company's data on here. That would be a security risk. And I think most corporations right now understand this, and they're banning ChatGPT on their company laptops. Okay, here we go. The data set you provided appears to be a sales record typically used for retail analysis or forecasting. Here's a breakdown of its columns. It has a unique identifier for each record. It has a date, the date of the sales record. This indicates when the sale occurred. It has a store number. This seems to represent the store, the number or identifier of the store where the sale took place. Family. This could refer to the category or type of product. Sales. The sales figure likely representing the quantity sold or revenue generated. On promotion. This might indicate whether the product was on promotion on the given date, likely represented by a binary indicator where 0 means not on promotion and 1 means on promotion. So, you see, I kind of went through this thought process when I was looking at the Excel sheet, but you see, I didn't have to now because I just uploaded the Excel sheet and ChatGPT read the Excel sheet and said, okay, this is what this data looks like. Here's what you have. And I've done this with more complicated data. And in this one, it's probably not that useful because the Excel sheet was really easy. But I have seen it understand much more confusing data, which had a lot more columns. So now let's see here. Create a chart of sales across all stores. Then a chart showing me the highest grossing products across all stores. So here we go. So it has the data, it understands the data. Now I want to analyze this data by just typing in the prompts for it to analyze the data. So you can see it gave me a chart. Now I tried to do this chart in Excel and it kind of timed out because there was so much data. I mean, it's like 100,000 rows. ChatGPT analyzed it and gave me the data. Now this is not very useful to me, but you can kind of see that it's able to generate the chart. And here's the bar chart showing the highest grossing products across all stores, and you can see what it identified over there. Give me the total sales for liquor on January 5th, 2013, and compare that to the total sales for liquor on January 5th, 2014. All right, so it tells me the total sales for liquor on January 5th, 2013 was 6,715. However, there was no recorded sales for liquor on January 5th, 2014. Let's hop over to Excel to verify this. So total liquor, 6,715. You can see on January 5th, 2013, it says 6,715. And on January 5th, 2014, it says 0. ChatGPT is now your data scientist. It's amazing where the world is going. It's amazing. I think I've done videos where I've shown it do the work of a cloud architect. It can do the work of a doctor, do the work of a writer, screenwriter, right? Here it is doing the work of a data scientist. All you need is to find the data, upload the data, and then whatever information you want to extract from the data, you just have to ask it like you would ask anybody. So now everybody can be a data scientist. Everybody can analyze data and provide great charts and great analysis. Now it's moved back to the creative part of things. Because before, people had to understand a bunch of different tools, how to use, all these different analytics tools, Tableau and, Excel and things like that. But now it's moved back to who are the creative people who want to just analyze the data, and they have all the different thoughts about what they should be analyzing, but they don't necessarily know how to use the tool. Now they don't have to. Now they just need to access the data, upload it to ChatGPT, and get all the insights they need from that data. I gotta tell you, crazy world. I mean, we're going into some big changes, and I'm here for it. What do you guys think? See you in the next video.